Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today I'm so happy to be able to unbox this Nomos right in front of me. And for a change today, you don't have to worry about me being kicked out of the house or having to sleep on the couch tonight, because this watch here, it's a gift from my lovely wife. Alright, I know in my previous unbox videos, you always hear me joke about being kicked out of the house or being kicked physically by my wife, who always complains about me buying watches, but I assure you those were just jokes, or rather lies. Okay, so really I have to say big thank you. She has been very supportive of my YouTube channel, and she's my biggest fan all along. Thank you very much. I really like this gift that you have given me. Alright, I'm so lucky today to be given this beautiful watch. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. And this is the standard Nomos wooden box. It is spray painted. I'm pretty sure it's spray painted to look black. Alright, so this is pretty standard with all Nomos watches. So upon flipping open, you will see the warranty cards and the instruction manual. Really nice. You know, some of it is printed in German. Your watch. Okay, and these are the warranty details. So the watch here is wrapped under this polished cloth. Let's just unveil it. Ta-da! And this is the Club Campus 38.5 millimeters model, the Nomos Club Campus. Very basic watch, but I assure you it is a very beautiful watch. So this version here, it comes fitted on a black suede leather strap, and I have to tell you, I'm not a big fan of the light colored leather lining. We'll see what kind of straps I can change into, but let's just look at the watch for now. It is just simple, at the same time it just works. It's just wonderful. Great design, California dial, Arabic numbers, and at the top half, and at the bottom half we've got Roman numbers, and with a splash of colors on the small seconds. And one thing special about the Club Campus model, or rather the entire Club range, is that it's got a slightly higher water resistance. I think this is rated to 100 meters, whereas most Nomos watches, they are rated to 30 meters water resistance. So I'll just zoom in a little bit to show you a slightly more close-up shot of the dial, and wow, here's a beautiful movement, the alpha movement, with all the gorgeous stripes and colored crystals, the colored jewels. Alright, it's a hand wound movement, very simple, 17 jewels, and I think it's got a 42-hour power reserve. Now let me just remove the protective stickers for now. Alright, just gonna tear open. So here you can see the gorgeous dial, and I'm just going to check the handset for now. Let's just quickly go to the 3 o'clock position. Okay, handset is good. Let's see the 6 o'clock position, and all looks good. Let's check the winding. Woohoo! Just hear that crisp winding, really fantastic. Really looking good here. And this is the newer version. I think this one here has got less words printed at the case back, less print. So the simpler print, I think it happened about 3 years ago. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a full video review on this in the next few weeks. The good looking Nomos Club Campus 38.5 millimeters. Great looking watch. I'm just loving it. Well, stay tuned. I'll see you. Bye bye.